Samantala, ito namang Armed Forces of the Philippines, abay naging matagumpay itong pagkasagawa nila ng resupply mission sa kabila ng presensya ng China dyan ho sa may bahagi ng Ayungin Shoal. Alamin natin ang buong detalye, tinutukan niya ni Bombo Kelly Cordero.
Matagumpay na nakapagsagawa ng rotation and resupply mission ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa 9 island features ng West Philippine Sea simula December 3 hanggang December 14. Ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, na monitor nila ang presensya ng 2 Chinese Coast Guard at 2 People's Liberation Army Navy ship, pero wala naman daw itong ginawang harassment o anumang pagpigil sa puwersa ng Pilipinas. Ang highlight ng RORE ani Trinidad ay ang paghahati ng Noche Buena package sa mga tropa na nasa West Philippine Sea.
Yes, the AFP through Western Command conducted a rotation of troops and the provisioning of our forces on the 9 island features from 0 December to 14 December. There were no untoward incidents monitored. However, there were 2 Chinese Coast Guard and 2 Philippine Navy ships in the vicinity. Just in the vicinity, doing nothing. No illegal actions. No coercive action.
Pagtitiyak ng opisyal, mataas ang moral ng mga sundalo at patuloy nilang gagampanan ang kanilang mandato. Itinuturing din ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas na successful year ang 2024, hindi lamang sa kanila, kundi pati na sa buong bansa. Ayon kay Trinidad, nagampanan nila ang kanilang mandato sa kabila ng mga hamon hindi lang sa West Philippine Sea, kundi pati na rin sa Northern Islands at Eastern Seaboard.
The challenges are a normal occurrence. The radio broadcast that they give out, it's a normal occurrence. But also on our side, we keep performing our mandate. We keep challenging all ships, not only PLA Navy or Chinese Coast Guard. On a monthly basis, we monitor more than 12,000 ships. We issue the proper challenges. Some of them reply.
Umaasa ang AFP sa mas marami pang accomplishment para sa taong 2025. Para sa Bombo Network News, Bombo Kelly Cordero nag-uulat para sa #1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines. Basta Radio, Bombo!